Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about the brand new GPT-5, which is the latest AI model everyone is exciting about. So what makes GPT-5 different? First of all, it is smart and more accurate than before. It understands your questions better. It is going to give you clearer answers and makes the fewer mistakes. It is trained on a larger database, so it can actually handle more complex topics from coding and finance to your everyday advice. The second thing is that GPT-5 is faster and more natural. Conversations with it feels like smoother, like you are talking to a real person. It also remembers the context better, so follow-up questions follow without any confusion. The third thing is that it is more powerful for the creators and the professionals. Writers can also use it to generate high quality scripts, blogs, and even books. Developers can also use it for the built-in applications, tools with the advanced reasonings. There are some businesses that can use it for the customer services, for research and automation at a whole new level. The most exciting part is its multimodality. So ChatGPT 5 can handle not just the text but also the images, charts, and even more formats in the futures. This makes it much more useful for the real world tasks. So GPT-5 isn't just a small upgrade, it is a big leap forward in AI. So whether you are a student, a worker, or just curious, this is the new model that can change the way you learn, create, and work. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.